Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the essentials work. Install the app and sign in because your account links devices and history. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location so tags can broadcast and your phone can listen. Now add your first item, tap the plus button, pick the tag type, and give it a clear name. This first action registers the item to you and starts continuous tracking. It's critical because pairing establishes identity, permissions, and the baseline signal your app will use. Once your item is added, you configure how the app behaves and why those choices matter. You set notification levels so you're alerted when an item leaves a zone, and tweak proximity thresholds to reduce false alarms. This keeps interruptions meaningful. Next, add trusted contacts for shared recovery. Make sure they accept access so the chain of custody works. Finally, refine privacy settings like safe zones and visibility windows, because these determine when your item broadcasts and who can see it. You now use the app to find and recover items. Open the map to see last known location, play a sound for close-range searching, and check timestamps to confirm recency. If it's missing, mark it lost and enable lost mode so finders can contact you. Community help increases odds of recovery. If tracking fails, try this one tip. Resync the tag by toggling Bluetooth, restart the phone, and confirm app permissions. And if needed, inspect or replace the tag battery to restore signal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.